I'm going to rate EAS Alarm from different countries. 1, zeros gets the least, and 10 will get the very scary. So before we do that, I want you to like and subscribe. Canada, 7 out of 10. This is the least scariest. Like, if I live in Canada, it will be scaring me, dude. 9 out of 10 is like the least scariest to me, but I wouldn't live in Australia. Italy, 1 out of 10. This is the worst. Like, how does Italy made out of? I don't know what to give you, United Kingdom. So random, 0 out of 10. This is like a sound of a wrong answer sound effect. 8 out of 10, United States. It's look like the same of United Kingdom. United States, 100 out of 10. This is the most scary thing of my life. Thank you for so much for coming. Please like and subscribe for more EAS Alarm for Marvel Boys. Okay, bye.